Welcome to our calculus class. Topic for today, I will teach you find the equation of the tangent line using a limit. Our problem is find the equation of the tangent line 2g of x equals x to the second power at x equals 2. Well, so what I mean tangent line? So tangent line is to g of x is at ax equals 8. It's a line that is a line which pass through this point to 8g of x to this point, and it has a slope, and the slope is equal to g prime. In this case, not x is 8. We are talking about 8. All right, and then not yet x is 8 right here. When I go to our problem, I want to give you the value. So right now let's go to 8. All right, the slope of the tangent. This is very important point. So check these points. Mean the slope of tangent. The slope of tangent line is also called. The slope of tangent. This tangent line. This tangent line. Let me write right here. Is also called a derivative. So we are talking about the derivative. Okay, it's also called derivative. Right? This is very, very important concept clue of in this case of what? Of g of x at x equals 8. All right, it equals 8. So it's defined by the this is defined by this formula. This is very important. Memorize this formula. So it's g prime of a equals limit is very important, the formula right here. Write g times a plus h, okay, minus g of a divided by h when when h approach to 0. Right, this is the main concept about our topic today. Memorize, take a look this formula. We're gonna work later with this formula. So very important. Another important thing is point and slope. So point is slope. Point is slope form. It's another thing that we have to remember for use it in this kind of problem. It is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? Very important. In this case, where when this example where x1 and y1, this is the point of the line. Is the point, write it, the point point of the line, right? Also the m here, m this case, m is the slope, right? So okay, after this, let's go and then solve our problem. Solve this gx equals to the x to the second power at x equals 2. The tangent line is gx equals x to the second power at x to equals 2. It's a line that passes to the point. So this pass through the point. Let me see, point passes to this point. Is this line passes through this 2 g of 2, like that. To the point, and has the slope, and then the slope. This line, the slope is equals to g prime 2. That's the loop. So now we have to find here, find 2g of 2, g2. Okay, find the point at the tangent line. Okay, here find the point, we have to find the point, this. Find the point 2, g of 2. But find the point on the tangent line on the tangent line. All right. Here as a g. Let's write it g2. Okay, g2 equals 2 to the second power. All right. Step by step. So this is equals 2 to the second power is equals 4. So then here now we have 2,4. 2,4 is the point on the line. Is the point on the line. Very important. So we have this letter right now. So now we have to find we have to find the slope. Find the slope. I mean g, remember g prime 2. So this is called the slope. Slope. Okay, this is the slope. All right, let's start it right here. Let me see. I will erase it all this everything to continue. So we are in this point. So I will erase it everything here, and then we have to find. We leave it this. This is the slope. Point. So the point that we have to find. So g x. So this is the slope. Okay, this is equals limit of g Remember the formula that I gave it to you before, 2 plus h minus here g of 2. Remember, this is the slope right here, very important, here. All right? Divided by h when h approaches to 0. Okay. If we simplify, this will be equals, next step, limit of, simplify all this. So we will have 2 plus h here, 2 plus h minus 2 to the second power, all right? 2 to the second power. Divided by h when h approaches to 0. All right, so next step equals limit, just development this problem here. We will have 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 4. Minus 4 divided by h when h approaches to 0. So next step will be, we will have now limit, here we will have 4h plus h squared divided by h when h approaches to 0. All right, here we will continue equals, will be equals here, it's h, limit. So limit h plus times 4 plus h, 4 plus h, okay, divided by h when h approaches to 0. Okay, now you simplify that, we will have limit of here 4, we have 4 plus h, okay, 4 plus h, here is cancel h, we have to cancel h, remember, here, and then we will have, you cancel h when h approaches to 0, so here cancel, we will have, if you cancel h, you will have 4 plus 0, so it will be equals 4. 4 it is the answer. So this 4 is a slope. This is a slope. This 4 is the slope, all right? So now we have to write the equation of the tangent line. Tangent line goes through the points 2. Where is the points? The points of the tangent lines here. Tangent lines. The point is 2, 4. This is a point. The tangent line goes through that point, and the slope. So the slope is 4, right here. It's 4, the tangent line right there, the slope. So you can use the point slope form. Remember, point slope form. Point slope form. What is the point slope form? What the point slope form? What is it? The formula I give it to you is I want to write again. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. This is the formula. Then plug it in the points. You plug it in these points. This point that you have it right here. I would like to write the points. So x1 is equals 2, right? x1. So y1 is equals 4, and then the slope is 4. It's 4. So our formula, because find the equation of the tangent line using the limits. So the formula that we got it right now, it is in point slope form is y minus 4, yeah, minus 4 equals, the slope is 4 times x, how much is x? It's x minus x minus x1, because x is x1. X, the original x, is equals 4. It's equals 4 right here. 4, and x1 is equals 2. All right. This is x, x1, x2. x1, like that. All right. This is the solution of the problem. The equation of the tangent line is y minus 4 equals 4 times 4 minus 2. That is the equation of the line. All right. That's it for today. You discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential. Thank you.